There's a new AI image generator on the block, and it's making some serious waves. You've heard the buzz about AI tools like Midjourney, but something about them doesn't quite fit your needs. You crave something more accessible, something that allows you to dive deep into creativity without the hefty price tags or the need for ultra-powerful hardware. Enter Flux, the new kid on the block, yet already making waves in the world of AI image generation. Developed by the minds behind Stability AI, Flux promises not just high-quality images, but also a level of accessibility that's been missing from the scene. Whether you're an artist, a developer, or just someone with a passion for creating, Flux could be the tool you've been waiting for. So stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll not only know how to get your hands on Flux, but also how to unlock its full potential. And hey, before we dive in, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications so you never miss an update. Let's get started. Say hello to Flux, the latest creation from Black Forest Labs, and trust me, this one's got the potential to be a game changer. So, what's the deal with Flux? Well, it's an open source AI model that's already getting a ton of buzz for delivering top-tier results. The folks behind Flux were actually the brains at Stability AI, the team that brought us Stable Diffusion. Some are even calling Flux the next big thing in AI image generation, maybe even the successor to Stable Diffusion itself. With Flux, they've taken their expertise to the next level, creating a tool that not only rivals the best in the business, but also offers unique advantages that set it apart from the competition. Flux comes in 3 versions: Pro, Dev, and Schnell. The Pro version is the heavy hitter here, designed for commercial use, and companies are already using it to power their AI image services. And what's cool is that the Dev and Schnell versions are optimized for different levels of performance, making it super flexible depending on what you need. The Pro version is the most powerful, with 12 billion parameters, and is designed for commercial use. It's the go-to option for companies that need a robust tool for generating high-quality images on a large scale. The Dev version is tailored for developers, offering advanced features like image-to-image generation, making it a perfect choice for those who want to experiment and push the boundaries of what's possible with AI. Finally, the Schnell version is optimized for speed, generating images approximately 10 times faster than the Pro version, albeit with slightly lower quality. This version is ideal for users who need quick results without compromising too much on quality. Now, let's talk about what sets Flux apart from competitors like Midjourney or even Stable Diffusion. For one, the smaller models can run on high-performance laptops, which is a huge win for hobbyists and small businesses. You don't need a fancy setup or even a constant internet connection to get amazing results with Flux. This opens up AI image generation to a much broader audience, including those who might have been priced out of the market with other tools. Plus, while Midjourney is known for creating stunning, detailed images, Flux is coming in strong with some serious skills, especially when it comes to rendering human figures. And get this, Black Forest Labs is already working on adding a text-to-video model to the mix. How awesome is that? Black Forest Labs said their mission is all about pushing the boundaries of creativity, efficiency, and diversity in generative AI. They're really focused on making these tools accessible to everyone and building trust in their safety. It's clear they want to set the industry standard for what AI-driven creativity can be. So what's under the hood of Flux? Let me break it down for you. Speed and efficiency. Flux is all about speed. Thanks to its innovative architecture, which includes parallel attention layers and other optimizations, Flux can generate images significantly faster than many other models, outpacing even Midjourney in generating images. The Schnell version is about 10 times faster than the Pro, though with slightly lower quality, the trade-off in speed is well worth it for many users. The Dev version is perfect for developers, offering advanced features like image-to-image generation. And then there's Flux Pro, the big dog with 12 billion parameters. It's closed source and available via API. Prompt adherence and quality. One thing Flux really nails is sticking to your prompts. Whether you're using simple or complex prompts, it delivers high-quality images that match what you're asking for. For example, a prompt like a cat looking into a camera, point-of-view fisheye lens will give you results that are right up there with Midjourney V6. And if you're into more complex prompts, you'll find Flux has incredible control over the details and composition. This level of accuracy is crucial for creators who have specific visions in mind and need their tools to deliver results that match their expectations. Performance and capabilities. In benchmarks, Flux is outperforming the competition across the board. When it comes to visual quality, Flux excels in producing images that are not only photorealistic but also rich in detail. This is particularly noticeable in complex scenes, where the model's ability to accurately render fine details and textures really shines through. It's got versatility in spades, supporting multiple aspect ratios and resolutions from 0.1 to 2.0 megapixels. Whether you're working on artistic projects, commercial work, or anything in between, the quality of the images produced by Flux is on par with, if not better than, what you would get from other top-tier models like Midjourney. The tech behind Flux, like rectified flow transformers and parallel attention layers, helps it generate photorealistic, detailed, and anatomically accurate images. So how can you get your hands on Flux? The best part is it's open source. You can download the dev and Schnell versions from platforms like Hugging Face. This open approach is all about getting the community involved and driving innovation forward. If you're curious, I definitely recommend checking it out. You can try it for free at Flux AI's website. They've got all the tools you need to get started with text-to-image generation and more. Wrapping up, Flux is definitely a big step forward in the world of AI image generators. Looking further ahead, Flux and models like it are poised to play a crucial role in the development of future technologies. As generative AI becomes more advanced, it will likely be integrated into a wide range of applications beyond art and design. It's powerful, accessible, and open source, which makes it a serious contender against the likes of Midjourney. And with Black Forest Labs planning to roll out text-to-video models soon, the future looks incredibly bright for AI-driven content creation. So, if you're into AI art or just curious about what's next in this space, Flux is definitely worth a look. That's it for today's video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more updates on the latest in AI tech. This is AI Nexus. Catch you in the next one.